Good day guys, how are you doing today? Today we continue on our Python challenge course. So today we look at what is Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series is a descending series that the addition of the two previous numbers equals to the present number. Now for example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for example. The addition of the first two equal to 3. The addition of these two will be 5. Will be 5. The addition of this one will be 8. That's how it works, and so on and so forth. 8 plus 5, that will be 13. So 13 plus 6, that will be 18. That is how Fibonacci series work. Now today we want to write a program to solve this problem. But before, let's firstly carry out an operation on this. But on this, now we'll be given two initial values, and we have default two initial values. Maybe for example, we have f0. F0 will be is just equal to 1. Let's also f1 equals equals 2. Now let's do it for a range of 5. For I in range 5. We are doing this tutorial based on what we have done in the Python series classes. We are still on it. So now let's try to solve this kind of example with it. Now we have this. Now our f of 0, we have this. We have f0. So our f2 equals. So the f2 will be equals, because it will be equals to the, let me comment it out first. f2 will be equals the addition of f1 plus f2. It will be, sorry, just f0. Now, if we have it this way, now how do you want to write this program to do that? Just say f2 equals, our f2 equals f0 plus f1. Then we'll print it out. That is our what? That is f2. Then let's note one thing. For the next iteration, the value of our f0 and f1 will change. Now let's reassign. That means at this point we have our f0 will now equals, take the value of the present, what is inside the what f1. So I'll go to f1, and our f1 takes what is inside the f2. Now the value of this value will be override here after the computation has been performed here. So our initial value of f0 takes the value of f1, then the f1 take the value of recent f2. So with the addition of these two again over the iteration 1 over for 5 times will be the addition. The values will be changing. Now let's try and print the value out. If we try and print the value out now, we see the result. Yeah. Python run this, and you see we have 3. That is 2 plus 3. That's 2 plus. We have our first value, second value. You can also make it clear. Let's display the result in horizontal form. Print our first value. Let's print them out. We can put it inside the loop so that it will be repeating f0, f1. Let's print it in format f. Let's use format. It's our placeholder. The angle bracket is our placeholder. I'm going to handle this when I get a string properly. Just write it the way I'm writing. This is our placeholder to enable us to format our string. Just enable us to format our string. The fm is format. So we have this is f0, and we have this is what? f1. Then end. Remember, I want to put this horizontally. I have to add end, because this, maybe let's give it a space. So if we do that, it's going to add. We also need to do the same thing for this place as well. That's our f. Just F2, we will need to format it. We will need to format it. This, let's put F2. Then our hand, just into our hand command with space. Now, if we print these values, we should have the result here like this. But oh, we need to come down here so that my last something here, we need to clear it. So just print. Let's print a new line here. So let's just display the value here now. And you see, we have our the value here. 1, the initial value 1, 2, and the addition of these 2 will be 3. The addition of these 2 will be 5. The addition of these 2 is this. Now let's comment this out now. Let's go to our initial value, our upper questions state. If one series can be defined in the following terms: f of next equal to f0 plus f1, where f0 is the first term and the f1 is the second term, and f next is the next term. To get the next term, we had the previous 2 terms. For example, given the sequence of these, this. Then we have a sample here where f of 0 is equal to what is 5, and our what f of 1 is 6. There, and f2 equals f of 0 plus f of 1 equals 5 to 6, which equals 11. F of 3, we have f of 3 here, sorry. So for example, f of 3, this one, f of 3, will now be equals, that is our f next, which will be f next, sorry. F next, it will equals f1 plus f2 equals this. Then your task is to write a Python program to compute the Fibonacci series for a sequence of 10 integers, so that the first and the second terms can be expressed as this, and you are to display the result in this format. All of them should be inside this, using the console method. That means using the method format. So we're going to design GUI for it. Remember the hint here. Now let's write this program. Our f0 and our f1, our first value equals this. So we were given f0 equals to 7, f1 equals to 8. Let's come to this. F of 0 equals to 7. You can also have it in the same line. F of 1 equals, you have to separate with semicolon. Semicolon, f of, or just do it this way, f of 0 and f of 1, then equals, f of 0 is 7, and f of, what is this? F of 1 is 8. It's 8. So the first value goes there. The first value goes to f of 0, and the f of 1 also go to 8. You can also separate them into new line if you want. So now, let's try to look. We were given 10 iterations for I in range of 10. So 10 times, we want to get the addition of it. So based on what we have done before, let me firstly pass to avoid error. Then we can also print out our first initial value, f of 0, format it, f of 0, but we are told it should be inside the parentheses, this. F of 0 is this, and sorry, f of 0, f of 1, then our end should be n equals and space there. So we have this here. Then we now come to this place and say f of next, f next equals f of 0, 0 plus f of 1. Then we print the value, let's format it. Then we have our this, that is, do we need to put this? No, our f of next equals this, the end equals, remember, let's reassign the value so that our initial values take the next values. So our f of 0 takes f of 1, then our f of 2, 1, 6, F next. Then let's print our new line out there. Putting this out there. Let's close it now. Now our program is through. It should be fine now. We are through with our program. Let's run it. Let's clear this screen. Now let's run it. And you see, we have the result here. There's 7 plus 7, 8, 15. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15, 8 plus 15 is 23. 15 plus 23, 38. And you see, that is our result. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.